An Arduino is a microcontroller for hardware prototyping. It has digital input and output on the right side, and there's also an analog reference pin. It is powered by a power adapter and also a USB plug that usually used for printers. The power voltage can be also set to 3.5 or 5 volts on the switch. And this button is for the reset. After you download the IDE, this is the format of the basic code of Arduino. The void setup is where you put the variables, and also the void loop is where the functions are being called. There are some example codes in the IDE. We will use the blink example that will turn off the lights or the LED on and off. In this example, the LED built in is set as an output, and it's normally pin number 13. On the void loop function, digital write will make the LED built in as a high voltage that will be turned on, and then delay will be set to 1000 milliseconds or equivalent to 1 second, and then digital write will call the LED built in again to turn off, and then after a second it will just loop its function until the reset button is pressed. I will try to connect LED on the Arduino using different parts. I'll be using a USB plug that I will connect to the computer or laptop, and then some jumper or connectors so that I connect it to breadboard, and LED to display the lights to turn on and off, and a resistor. I will be using 100 ohms and a breadboard. I will connect the jumper or connectors to pin number 13. So it will be the positive side going to the LED. So I will connect it to the Arduino to the breadboard, and then insert the LED. And then the ground, just look for the marks on the Arduino board, and then connect it to the breadboard. And then the LED will be on. Check for the positive side. It's usually the longer pin that are positive, and then the shorter pin is the negative. But I will also use 100 ohms resistor. I will now connect the Arduino to the USB to the computers or the laptop. And then there's no blinking yet because the program is, or the code is not yet installed. So I will open the Arduino IDE to upload the codes to the board. So I will just click the upload button and it will install the code on the Arduino. The result will be shown on the bottom of the IDE. It will show how much bytes used for the storage space. After the successful uploading, the LED will be blinking on and off per second. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.